advanced technology in Nextbuy platform allows you to adjust the views in the tables visible in the system. To present it in the platform, the list of purchase requests will be used. In the upper left corner, you can see a column with the filters that allows you to select the data taking into account the requestor, commodity, cost allocation, potential suppliers, or cost center. This column can be hidden at any time. In the upper right corner, you can see a table that allows you to change the order of columns, hide or uncover the single column, as well as sort and filter the data. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you successful transactions on Nextbuy platform.